Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the second part of your letter writing video. So in this video, I will be teaching you how to write an application, and I hope that from now onwards, every child should be able to write the simple leave or asking applications to principal ma'ams on their own. And in case the parents are writing, then they should be able to know what is being written in the application and what should come next. So in the last video beta, we had dealt with the format of the formal application. So now you will be opening up your notebooks like this. Now as you see beta, in my previous video I had shown you the format. Very quickly we're going to revise. The format was first your address would come because you are sending the letter, then your date would come, the date on which you are writing, your receiver's address, that means the person you are writing to, आप जिसको लिख रहे हैं उनका एड्रेस आएगा, subject, that means in one line the reason of you writing the letter should come, then the salutation, that means the term out of respect that you're using for the person जिसके लिए आप लिख रहे हैं. In case your principal is a male, then you would be writing respected sir, but as we have ma'am, then we will be writing respected ma'am. Body of the letter, subscription, that means yours sincerely or yours obediently. Your name, sign is not important in case of a school application for your principal when you're writing, so I would say sign is fine. Otherwise in this application we'll be mentioning the class and section also, but as you see I have left this page blank. So in case any previous work is done in your notebook and if it is done on the left side, then please I would request every child to leave this right portion, okay, because I will ask you all to get me an envelope so that we will learn how to write the letters on an envelope, and then I'm going to help you stick it over here also. So coming on to a page like this where both the sides are blank, you'll be writing the date, you'll be writing the thought, and then I would write the question over here, okay. So the question would be W capital because it is the first letter. Write an application. If you see, the letters would be in the center line only. Please make sure that you're not taking them out of the line. आप लाइन से बाहर नहीं निकालेंगे बेटा, बीच में ही लिखेंगे उसको. Some of you are writing just in your own flow, एकदम ऊपर ऊपर बड़ा बड़ा. So please make sure that you are writing properly. So you are writing an application. To whom are you writing? आप स्कूल में है ना, छुट्टी किससे मांगेंगे? प्रिंसिपल मैम से. So write an application to the. Now principal is always written as P capital. The P would be capital, okay. PRIN, prin, CICPAL, pul, principal, okay. Principal, write an application to the principal asking, and I notice that many times some of you make mistakes in writing this word. What is it beta? It is asking, the letter is cursive K. You take it up like this, and in the center you are making a circle or a curve and then getting it down. Asking her to grant you 2 days sick leave. So I would request every child to write the question here, and then we're going to begin the main letter portion over here. Okay, so the application would be written from this side and the question would be here. So I'm reading out the question aloud to you, beta. Write an application to the principal asking her. Okay, I have written her here directly because I know that the principal is a female. Okay, had it been a male, then I would have written him. Yata hai na? Pronoun we are using. So this is an object pronoun. Okay, now I'm going to move here to the next page. So keeping in mind the format, this is the margin. I'm going to start. So the very first thing was sender's address. I am sending the letter, so I will be writing my address, and I hope all of you have learnt your own address, which is to be put in 2 to 3 lines maximum. So I'm going to write my address as I live in C block. So I'm writing C in capital. My house number is 11. Then my locality is GTB Nagar. I will stop here. I am not going to continue. You have to stop here. You have to get down. Once you have written your house number and your locality, so this is a particular area of my locality, then I'm going to get down to the new line. It will be, as my area is Kareli. Okay, then Prayag Raj. So just in 2 lines my address has come. Okay beta, C11 GTB Nagar Kareli Prayag Raj. That's it. Once my address has been written, then what was the next thing beta? It was date. So you do not have to write the term date. आपको date word नहीं लिखना. You just have to write the date. So what are you going to write down? For example, it is 1. So make sure that you remember that you do not write the month in numbers like this. You write the entire name. So if it is 1, as we know it is 1 November, so I'm going to write down 1 November. N would be capital. I hope everybody remembers the spelling of November. Nobody will write in short form. Short form में कोई नहीं लिख देगा. So it is 1 November and then the year 2021. Okay. Once you have written the date, after the date your receiver's address would come. Keep in mind about the lines to be left. I told you इस कॉपी में लाइन नहीं छोड़ेंगे because देखिए हर 4 लाइन के बीच में गैप दिया है. That means they've left the line. But हिंदी वाली रूल्ड नोटबुक हो या प्लेन पेज हो, उसमें हमेशा लाइन छोड़ेंगे once you have written the address. अगर ये दोनों का दोनों ये 2 लाइन्स में मेरे एड्रेस आए हैं, my address is come into 2 lines, तो ये एड्रेस लिखने के बाद बैक टू बैक I should have left 1 line and then got to the date. Now that the date has been written, I will get to the receiver's address. Who am I writing to? किसको लिख रहे हैं बेटा? I am writing the letter to the principal. So directly the principal, again P would be capital, then the name of your school, that is ARMY Army Public School. A would be capital, P would be capital, S would be capital. Army Public School, New Kent. Okay, New Kent, Prayagraj. Prayagraj. Once you have written till here, this was your receiver's address. Once it is written, then you're going to write down the subject. So for writing the subject बच्चे, you have to mention the word. आपको ये word subject mention करना पड़ेगा. You have to write down this. Date में तो मना कर दिया था, date में date word नहीं लिखते हैं, directly you write down this way 1 November, 2 November, 30th December, whatever. Full month, okay? Nothing in between, no comma, nothing of that sort. But subject के लिए you have to write down the subject like this and then put a colon. Dots below the other known as colon. So what is the subject? क्यों लिख रहे हैं हम? Why are we writing? I have to write down an application to ask for sick leave. So what is my subject? I hope you all have understood by now what is the subject. Application for sick leave. Okay, so you are asking an application for the sick leave. After you have written the subject, what is the next thing to be written? Yes, it is the salutation. So I told you the term that we're going to use is respected ma'am. Okay बच्चे, respected ma'am. Had it been sir, then I would have written sir here. So once this much is written, so this has to be the basic format of the starting portion of the application. Your address, the date, the principal's address or the receiver's address, the subject, and then what? The salutation. And now the body is going to start. So आप कभी भी मांग रहे हैं, आप छुट्टी मांग रहे हैं, तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं? You are informing the authority. So in simple words we are going to start the body of the letter and that would be, अगेन आप यहीं से शुरू नहीं करेंगे, आप बीच से शुरू नहीं करेंगे, यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. ओके, जस्ट बिलो. एंड इफ यू नोटिस आई हैव written everything one below the other. Likewise you have to write. So आप start करेंगे, क्या start करेंगे? This is to inform you that I. After you've written I, you're going to write down your I'm writing in small here. Your name would come here. बेटा blank में बना रही हूँ because I am not writing anything here. Your name would come. For example, you know my name is Arshia Mahbood. So I would write A in capital, Arshia, leave some gap, and Mahbood ka M would be capital because this has been told to you many a times. Whenever you're writing your name, it has to be full, knowing the fact that your first name and your last name or your surname would be starting in capital. Arshia ka A, Mahbood ka M would start in capital. If it is Aman Kumar, Aman का A, Kumar का K capital में रहेगा. ठीक है बच्चे? So this is to inform you that I, name, when you have written your name, उसके बाद आप comma लगाएंगे. अब आप कौन हैं? How would a principal know? Hundreds of students are studying in the school, so you have to mention कि आप किस class के हैं. A student of class 3rd and then your section. Again बच्चे, I am just drawing a line here and mentioning in short SEC, sec. Okay, because it can be A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever the sections are going on. Okay, if you are in A, you will be writing capital A. If in B, you will be writing B. If in D, you will be writing capital D. Okay बच्चा, C, D, whatever. So I, name, comma, a student of class 3rd, comma, will be WILL, will be unable, unable, unable. I'm turning my page. So I'll be beginning from the first line. Unable, क्या अनेबल हो जाएंगे, क्या नहीं कर पाएंगे आप? टू attend, ATTEND, you will be unable to attend the school. You would be unable to attend the school on, as it was mentioned in the question beta, how many days leave you want? You want 2 days sick leave. 2 दिन की छुट्टी चाहिए ना, तो आप 2 दिन मेंशन करेंगे. फर्स्ट क्यों? यू आर राइटिंग द लेटर एंड यू आर इन्फॉर्मिंग बिफोर हैंड. आप पहले से बता रहे हैं कि आपको 2 दिन की छुट्टी चाहिए है. सो फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट इमीडिएट डे यू विल बी आस्किंग द लीव. सो यू विल बी अनेबल टू अटेंड द स्कूल on, mention the date now. 2 पूरा का पूरा November again, 2 November 2021 and 3 November 2021. क्यों नहीं अटेंड कर पाएंगे? वाई विल यू नॉट बी एबल टू अटेंड? क्यों स्कूल नहीं आ पाएंगे? बिकॉज नाउ विल राइट द रीजन. ओके, क्या रीजन है? एज I is always written in capital. This has been told to you many a times. As I am, helping verb, suffering, SUFFERING, suffering from. It can be any reason, बच्चे. I am writing fever here. It can be cough, cold, anything. Okay, as I am suffering from fever. You are suffering from fever, that means you have fever, you are getting troubled by fever. That is why you will not be able to attend the school on 2nd and 3rd of November. So you have mentioned this. Then once you have mentioned it, you have mentioned the dates you want the leaves on. You have mentioned the reason why you want the leave. Then once it has been mentioned, then you're going to write down what are you wanting. Then in the next paragraph or right below, again you're going to start from the margin only. You're going to write down therefore. That means at the end you are concluding. आप ख़त्म करने से पहले लिख रहे therefore, इसलिए. ठीक है, therefore kindly grant me 2 days sick leave. Okay, so once you have mentioned, then you will be writing the end line. That is very important always. So at the end you're mentioning that therefore kindly grant me 2 days sick leave. Okay, then it is done. Once it is done, what was there? You need to thank the principal or the official person you are writing to. You need to thank them in advance, hoping that they would consider your application. Once you have written, no matter आपके पास यहाँ कितनी जगह बाकी है, आपको next line पे ही आना होगा बच्चे. You have to come down to the new line according to the format. So आपको उनको thank you करना होगा. So you will be writing as thanking you. T would be capital, Y का U would be capital. Thanking you. Again ख़त्म यहाँ पे. Come to the subscription portion. Now who are you? You will be always obedient to them. So you will be writing down yours obediently. O capital, OBEDIENTLY. Obedient word says become obediently. हमेशा आप ओबीडियंट रहेंगे उनके, हमेशा आप सिंसियर रहेंगे उनके लिए. सो थैंकिंग यू, योर्स ओबीडियंटली. एंड बच्चे, योर नेम वुड कम नाउ. What is going to come? Now your name would come. Okay, so over here you're going to write down your name. Okay, so I am mentioning my name. For example, it is Arshia Mahbood. Okay, so it is Arshia Mahbood. A would be capital, M would be capital, and then what can I put? I can put my signature also, but as I told you, you two are in class 3rd, you all are in class 3rd, quite young. So in this application, if you mention your class and date, that would be better. So you would be mentioning your class and date again. Your class is 3. बच्चा, whenever you're writing 3 in Roman, कुछ लोगों की आदत होती है या आपको गलत कॉन्सेप्ट मिला है या कुछ कंफ्यूजन है, आप ऊपर भी लाइन बना देते हैं. नो, दैट इज़ अ रॉन्ग प्रैक्टिस. whenever you're writing in Roman 1 2 3, आपने ऊपर नई लाइन बनानी है. it is just one straight vertical line. so class section का S would be capital, and as I am in D, I am writing class 3rd D. So very quickly I'm going to read out again to you if any confusion is there, so that it gets eradicated. So this was the question. You have written your address because it was the sender's address. In 2 lines your address would come. कोई बच्चा मेरा एड्रेस नहीं कॉपी करेगा, आप अपना खुद का एड्रेस लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ इट इज़ क्वार्टर नंबर 104, यू विल राइट डाउन QTR 104, कॉमा न्यू कैंट प्रयागराज, दैट्स इट. ओके, या सिर्फ क्वार्टर नंबर फर्स्ट लाइन में लिख दीजिए. अगर कॉलोनी है, डोंट राइट डाउन बिग एड्रेसेस और द एंटायर नेम ऑफ द कॉलोनी कि आपका पहला ही लाइन में पूरा का पूरा कवर हो जाए. नो, you have to keep it short and crisp, mentioning the important portions. Okay, so this is your portion. Then once you have mentioned your address, the date, then the principal or the receiver, the principal, Army Public School, New Camp Prayagraj, then the subject of the application, then the salutation, that is respected ma'am. आपने क्या किया? This is to inform you. मैं क्यों ये लेटर लिख रही हूँ? आपको इन्फॉर्म करने के लिए, आपको बताने के लिए दैट आई, योर नेम अमन कुमार, आयशा जुल्का, अर्शिया महबूद, वट एवर. सो आई, अर्शिया महबूद, अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 3rd D, विल बी अनएबल, नहीं आ सकते हैं. आई एम अनएबल to attend the school on the dates. जब भी नहीं आ सकते बेटा, वही डेट आपने मेंशन करनी है. 2 November 2021 and 3 November 2021. रीज़न बताइए. as I am suffering from fever, full stop. therefore, comma, kindly grant me 2 days sick leave. One more line could have been added, but then this is the first time you are writing, so it should be very easy for you to understand. So directly you are thanking the person you are writing the letter to, thanking you, yours obediently, Y capital, O capital, your name and class and section. I hope children, this video must have helped you out to understand how a formal application is to be written. So all those who are going for Chhat Puja or any other recent holiday to be taken by you all, then you must write the application on your own. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.